Where did that snowball come from?
Welcome from the abyss.
Oh, it did?
Awkward high five. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's a continuation of the tire saga.
It's the Hey, we have our own tire slayer.
We got our own tire slayer. Literally slay the tires. All right, as you can tell, rim is good, rim is good, tire is bad.
Yep.
It's springtime. It only snowed 20 inches yesterday.
It doesn't look like springtime, but trust us, it's definitely springtime.
Here's the deal. Turn 5 does things a little bit backwards sometimes. We're putting on the summer tires and having a good old time.
Sounds like a plan.
You forgot to ask the all-important question of what I did with the air suspension.
Did you turn off the air suspension?
I'm getting good at this. 5 years in and 10 tire changes. I can finally remember to do that on my own.
Congratulations!
I'm just gonna do this all by hand because why not?
It's a good workout, right? You need a good workout.
Yeah,
And
you see me scrawny?
I just want to point out one thing. Those are winter tires, and there's definitely no snow left because it is springtime. It is all gone because it melted.
It only snowed 20 inches yesterday, Tyler.
Only 20?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It's the perfect time to put on your summer tires. Ask Google.
Google, when should I put on my summer tires? It's
March 13th.
March 13th, that's what it's gonna say?
That's what it just said. Yeah, isn't that bad?
Look at that. Definitely prepared for spring tire. It's spring. Again, I'm committing to this. It's spring.
Just look outside. I mean, I tell no lies.
I think you're lying here if you're claiming that's spring.
Just change the contrast of the lighting in the background and
gonna-
it will look like it's summertime.
There's a lot needed. And now, we got the first tire done, and what we have left is to do the back.
The good news before we started this project is 1 out of the 4 tires is already done. For all you mathematicians, that's 25%. But to save some time and some boredom for all you, I think it's just easier if we just do this. And just like that, all 3 of the 4 tires are changed. What do you say we reset the computer, go for a drive in the spring, and see how these summer tires operate all seasonably?
As you can see, we have a lot of summertime weather right out there.
Well, I will have you know, technically speaking, these tires are all season.
Well, they're really gonna need to be all season with the weather that we currently have.
We are gonna test these bad boys out.
Because in Minnesota, it just happens to snow every month of the year somehow.
Oh, I forgot how much I love these rims and tires though. Because we got 305s
Oh, that's pretty wide.
all around. I don't know, I think that the winter are the 265s.
Yeah,
So there's a lot of millimeter difference.
that is
And you
a
can
lot
feel
of
it.
millimeter difference.
And it just feels so right. So let's take this thing around the block.
Make sure the wheels don't fall
Make
off.
sure the wheels don't fall off. Make sure it learns the tire pressures. And make sure it can drive all season.
Oh, it's springtime. It doesn't need to drive in the winter. Remember that.
I will say the other night it was really scary when you and I went down, because we all know that a pothole can wreck so much more than just a tire or a rim.
I don't believe you. I think everything is fine every time. Well, that car splashed a little bit of... Well, there's no snow. It's springtime.
Yeah, it's springtime. I don't know what that was. It came from the cloudless sky.
There's no way any damage ever comes from hitting a pothole.
Just a few things I think of. You got differentials, you got a steering rack, you got some other things,
Control
right?
arms.
Control arms. We drive perfectly straight. It feels great. And look at the spring weather ahead of us.
What spring weather? I see snow on the road and 2 feet of snow on the side.
You're looking at the wrong spots, Tyler.
Oh, am I?
You are. I am so thrilled and forgot how nice this is in the summer. The steering feels, it's heavy, but not like obnoxiously heavy. It's just, you know what's going on. Whereas with the winter rims, it's a little bit numb.
Well, I would argue every SUV is a little bit numb.
I agree. what do you say we take this back to the shop and end this video?
Sounds like a plan.
We done did it again, Ty.
We did. We got all 3 of the wheels changed.
I must say that was probably the most interesting wheel change video we've ever made.
Yeah, because there was only 3 of them instead of 4 of them.
Hopefully the other tire, all we need is a tire. Here's the thing. We talked to our buddies down at Porsche St. Paul. You can go 3/16 tread depth different.
He said no more than that.
And he said the max he wants to see is 2/16.
Yep.
So we'll check that to see if we need all 4 tires or just one. But for now, we got the summer wheels on. It's time. The sun is shining. The snow is gone. The spring is here. Make sure you click like, comment, subscribe. Awkward high five. Wear some sunglasses and we'll see you soon.
Gun in my powder, my old woolen trousers, some bread for the road. The call of the bugle, another refusal to wait for the snow. She knows that I'll